Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We have the RCI-2950CD today. This is for Robert in Texas. Alright, starting with the power all the way down. Well, it's a tune-up report. And we're on AM with the power all the way down. So let's check it out over here. There's 10 watts on the top scale there. All the way down is 1. And I'm going to turn it all the way up now. All the way up is 10. Let me get this radio out of here. Peak power, 50 watt slug. Oops. Alright, so the middle scale there. Audio, check, 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 check. I've already put the next slug in. It went to 52, but so it's just a hair over 50. Audio, check, 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 check. Let me adjust that. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Okay. And let's check out sideband over here. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, audio, audio. A little over 40. Audio, check, check. Audio, 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 audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking great. All right. That's all there is on this rig. 2 power levels to show you. Let me show you the receiving now. It's a really great radio. It's one of my favorites. Let's see. See if there's anything out there. Hey, Breaker 19 for radio check.
Hey, Screwdriver, pretty good. Nice sounding radio.
Wow, that's a nice sounding radio too. What are you running there?
I'm running an Anytone 5555.
And what microphone?
The stock mic.
Wow, it's a beautiful sounding radio, brother.
Thank you, dude. You've done some of my radios too, my Ranger and my Striker. So good job there.
Chamboy, thanks for coming back to me, man. See you later.
All right.